The terminal's information of smart meter is shown, through the table, which will be helpful to know the exact function of each terminal. Firstly, connect the neutral line and leaf line of the grid to port 3 and port 4 of the smart meter. Secondly, we need to connect the communication cable to the meter. Connect the RS485A communication line to the port 10 of the smart meter. Connect the RS485B connection line to the port 9 of the smart meter. For the other end of the communication cable, connect the RJ45 to the CT meter port of the inverter. For CT connection, connect the white wire and black wire of the CT to port 1 and port 2 of the smart meter. Then, put the CT across the leaf line of the grid, which is after the main breaker and before the load. Make sure the arrow of the CT points from grid to the load. Finally, please check with whole meter installation diagram to make sure each part is right. After meter installation, we need to change the parameter from CT to the meter in the display. Now, we press and hold around 3 seconds. We select Mode Change and press OK. And select Sensor. There are 3 points in the sensor: capacity, meter, and master. Now, we choose the meter and press OK. Then, we back to home screen. We can see there is warning 401 in the screen. That means no communication from inverter and meter. We need to double-check the wiring of the meter. The standard communication line between meter and inverter is 15 meters. If it is not enough, also can use a network cable to extend. The maximum communication distance is 100 meters.